The hearing test itself involves a few simple but important steps. We start by using a small camera to check the health of your ear canal and eardrum, just to rule out things like earwax or ear infections. We then measure how well your eardrum is moving, which can show us if there's fluid or pressure behind it. We test your acoustic reflex, which is your ear's natural response to loud sounds, along with an objective test of your hearing. After that, you'll wear headphones and asked to press a button when you hear different beeps at varying volumes and pitches. This will help us understand the softest sounds you can hear in each ear. We finish by testing how well you understand speech, both in quiet and with background noise, which is one of the most common challenges people face. All up, this gives us a really clear picture of what's going on and where the issue might be coming from. Once we've done the test, we'll talk about your results together with respect to your initial concerns. You'll walk away knowing exactly what's going on, what it means, what your next steps are, with no pressure to make a decision on the spot.